Little Johnny's having a hard time in math class. He knows that it's all around him, but how can it help him? How can math help Johnny make a decision? Which line to stay in, the apple line or the cookie line? Looks like he's gonna go with apples. These choices are made every day. Some right, some wrong. So how can Johnny use engineering to help understand the world around him? With the Mod Companion, Johnny can capture useful information to solve his problem. What information does he need? Things like how the chef is preparing their line. Are there separate lines? How people are arriving? How the line forms? How often are people showing up? Johnny, now back in the class, he can form an idea of how to solve his problem. By using the information collected by the Mod Companion, he can use the Mod Board to set up his simulation model and to begin to maybe pose some questions and get some solutions. Johnny has an idea that if he combines the lines, then he can get both apples and cookies. Now that Johnny can get both, what about the other students? Fade to black. What if Johnny had a vision impairment? Are there existing applications that would allow him the same accessibility as anyone else whom is interested in solving these types of modeling and simulation problems? Surprisingly, not much exists. That's why we're introducing the Mod Companion and Mod Board, a platform that works for all users with accessibility built in at its core. So how does it work? The board is broken up into modular nodes that provide haptic, tactile, and audio feedback. The user, in our case Johnny, would take the useful information that the Mod Companion has provided and begin to build a simulation model. As Johnny needs to represent the lunch line experience, the Mod Companion would provide the distribution parameters needed to fulfill his model. For example, the arrival node would represent students entering in the cafeteria, and the system would provide a prompt such as
Arrival block selected.
As Johnny begins to modify the arrival node, he selects the distribution provided by the Mod Companion through either talking with the mod board or manually pushing the tactile keys.
Exponential distribution selected.
Johnny would continue to build out the rest of the model as he wishes. The onboard system is synchronized with an online modeling and simulation engine called Clouds, which provides the framework for running the finalized model. When processing the model and obtaining the simulation results, the output provided to Johnny is across multiple senses. This allows Johnny, or any other user, to experience the output in a way that works for them. This includes a haptic system that allows the user to feel the results as the model is running. The block's haptics feedback would increase or decrease dependent upon the associated values. This also includes more audio feedback and tactile responses via the set of braille pads that are built into each node.
A disposal block was connected to the process. Simulation ready to run. Resource utilization for process was 75%.
With the Mod Board and Mod Companion, we wanted to increase accessibility features so all users have the same affordances to build interesting, complex, and fun simulation models. So what are you waiting for?